this is pretty much the home screen of the application. And once you do first open the application, it will ask you a few questions. So do make sure you answer those questions truthfully so you can get the best results from this application here. So as you can see, we're currently on day one, and this application pretty much helps you to learn more about trading. And as you can see here, they do have the day trading simulator, which you can learn from as well. You have the school option, which teach you more about day trading and so forth. So the more you do learn, the more XP you get while using the application. So pretty much tap on the start. It will ask you a few questions. Do answer these questions based on your knowledge for Forex, guys, so you can get the best results. So very easy to use. And as well, they have the quiz option where you can promote, test your knowledge and so forth. And as well, you have the day trading option, pretty much a simulator where you can practice. They will just give you virtual funds where you can practice to pretty much test your skills. So we do tap on the start option. As you can see here, it will ask you to log in with Facebook. Because pretty much you don't have to log in with Facebook. You can just tap on the X option and pretty much start learning how to trade. So as you can see here, if you don't understand anything about this, then you may need to go through the school option. If you haven't gone through it, you should be starting the pretty much the day trading simulator. So make sure you go through the school option, which is this here, before you start anything. And as well, you tap on the daily learning option at the top. So if I do go home and tap on the day one option, scan here, tap on start, and pretty much start teaching you about trading. So if you don't know anything about trading, this application is for you. So check it out, see what you can learn, and let me know in the comment section your thoughts on this application. We don't see you guys. See you in the next one.